children, the next tool that we will learn is the rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is used to draw a square or a rectangle. So the fourth tool here, see, it is the rectangle tool. To select this tool, I will put my mouse pointer on the rectangle tool. I will do a left click and my tool will be selected. Once I have selected the tool, I will bring my mouse pointer to the drawing area. Now see, the pointer will change and it will give me an option to draw the rectangle tool. To draw the rectangle tool, I will press my left mouse left button, keep it pressed and move the mouse, and the rectangle is drawn. Right? Till this time you see these dotted lines around your rectangle, you can change the shape. But once you click outside, this will go and now you cannot edit this shape. Now this size option, you can select the width of the line. From the color option, you can select the different color. You can again come back to the drawing area, press the mouse left button, keep it pressed and move your mouse. The rectangle will be drawn. Now you leave the left mouse button. This line is for editing. If you don't want to edit, just click outside and you can finish drawing a rectangle. If I want to draw another rectangle with different color, I will change the color. Come to the drawing area, press the left mouse button, keep it pressed, move the mouse and now leave the button. This is how you can use the rectangle tool to create rectangles or squares on the drawing area. The next tool is the oval tool. The third tool is the oval tool. Right? To select it again, I will bring my mouse pointer to this tool and I do a left click and this tool will be selected. Now I come to the drawing area and press the left mouse button, keep it pressed, move my mouse and the circle will be drawn. These dotted lines give me an option to edit the circle, but once I click outside, these will go and now I cannot edit this circle. I can change the color. Again, press the left mouse button, keep it pressed, move it, circle is drawn. I can change the position by holding the mouse. You have to keep your left mouse button pressed when you see these 4 arrows and you can move the shape anywhere. Once you click outside, now you cannot edit this shape. So this is how you can use the square and the square. It's the rectangle and the oval options. Now you have the polygon tool. See, polygon tool. So this tool, again, to select this tool, I will bring my mouse pointer on this tool, do a left mouse button click and this tool will be selected. Now I am on the drawing area. I have the pointer to make the drawing. I will press the left mouse button, keep it pressed, leave it here, again press it and I can continue this line in a different direction. And I can continue till the time I do a complete. Right? Again I will select this tool. I can make a line again. Leave the mouse. Continue the line. Leave the mouse. Continue the line and now completely leave it once it is joined together. Okay. So this is how I use a polygon tool, which gives me an option to continue the line in different direction. Now I have so many shapes here. I want to fill some color in these shapes. So in the tools group, we have this option which says fill with color tool. So I'll do a left mouse click on this tool and this tool is selected. Now I can select different colors from here, and once I come to the drawing area, see my mouse pointer has again changed. Right? Now it is showing the fill with color tool option, and when I click it here, this rectangle is filled with this color. I select another color, I can fill it here, select another color and fill it in the outer rectangle. So this is how I can use the fill with color tool to fill my shapes with color. And if I drop it at the background, the color of the background will also change. Right? So this is how I can use the different tools, the shapes tools and the fill with color tool, to create different shapes and to fill my different shapes with different colors. Alright, so now I will tell you how to draw a simple drawing on this paint program. For that I am opening a new file. So I will go to the file menu or the paint button. I will select new. I don't want to save this and I have a new drawing page. Alright, now suppose I want to draw a Diwali scene. So first I want to draw a simple house using my rectangle tool. I will draw a house, a hut I would say, not a house, I will draw a hut. Triangle tool also. So using the triangle tool I will create a hut. Right, again I will go to the rectangle tool, create the door of this hut. Right, using the line tool I will divide it like this. I will use the circle tool, oval tool to create that. Windows out here. Right. Line tool fill my house with different colors. I'll use the fill with color tool. I'll take the color, drop it here, color, drop it here. Decorations, some buntings. That is how you decorate your house, right? I've drawn a line. I use the curved tool, and I will use the other option, the brush option. The size is a little bigger. Lights here. I'm not very good with it, so you can also try and create your beautiful drawings and send it to me by tomorrow. I want everybody to make some nice beautiful drawings of the Diwali scene and send your paintings to me on the WhatsApp number, my personal number. We'll use the fill with color tool and I will fill it with have decorated this house, right? I can again create some more decorations like this. Maybe first I'll draw a tree, right? Simple tree. You can explore the different options available here, right? Again, I select the color, go to fill with color tool, fill it with green color, right? Now I want to draw some buntings for decoration.